Hello everyone. Today we shall look into few text functions. Exact function, it compares two text strings and returns true condition if they are exactly same. Exact function is case sensitive but ignores formatting differences. Fixed function, it returns a number which is rounded to a specific number of decimals, and it returns the result as text instead of whole number. You can specify the result to be returned with or without commas. If the value for the decimals parameter is negative, number is rounded to the left of the decimal point. If we omit decimals, it is assumed to be 2 and it will round up to the 2 decimals. If no commas parameter is 0, or else if it is omitted, the return text values, it includes the commas as usual. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us go to the data view. I'll click on this products table. Here we could see that I have few IDs, brands column and brands 2 column. I'll click on this new column. I'll type exact equal to. I'll use the exact function. In the text 1, I'll use product brands, and in the text 2, I'll use the brands 2 column. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could notice that within these two columns, brands and brands 2, wherever the case sensitive words are matching, you will get the true condition. Wherever it is not matching, we'll get the false condition. I'll click on new column. Let us understand how fixed function works. I'll write fixed equal to fixed. I'll open the parenthesis. In the number, I'll provide quantity, products quantity. In the decimals, suppose I want to round it till 1 decimal, and if I don't want commas, to insert 1 or any other number. If I want commas, I can enter 0. Now I'll enter 1 and close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could see that my quantity is now rounded off to 1 decimal, and here since I entered 1, or you could enter any other number, it won't show the commas separated. If I enter 0, it will show you the zeros as we have studied earlier. Here you could see that after 3 numbers, it is now comma separated values. Okay, this is how exact and fixed function works. We shall move on to the canvas, and we shall see about other functions. Len function, it returns the numbers of characters of text string. Lower and upper, it converts either to lowercase and uppercase. REPT function, it repeats a text for the given number of times. If the number of times is 0, it returns blank. If it is not an integer, it is truncated, and the result of REPT function cannot be longer than 32,767 characters, or else it returns an error. Let us understand how these functions work. I'll click on new column. Suppose that I want to find length of brand column. I'll write length equal to LEN is the function. I'll insert the brand column, product brands. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could notice the length according to the character length of the brand column. Okay, I'll create a new column. Here I'll write REPT example. Okay, equal to, I'll write REPT function, where I'll enter the text as brand column, and number of times, suppose that I want to repeat the brand twice or 2 times, I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could see that my brand is repeated twice, 2 times. Instead of giving the particular number 2 times, suppose that I want to provide the length column, I could provide according to the length. Now you could see that it will be repeated according to the length. Here LG is repeated twice, Nokia is repeated 5 times, Samsung is repeated 7 times according to the length. And instead of giving a particular column, we can even provide a particular characters. Like here I'll provide double star, I'll with enclosing within double quotes. Okay, since it is a string, I'll hit enter. Let us see how it is working according to length. Here you could see that the double star, according to the length, it is multiplied twice, 5 times and 7 times accordingly, and it is showing us an example. This is how REPT function works. and I'll show you the lower and uppercase functions. Here I'll write lower equal to lower. I'll input brand column and hit enter. Here you could notice that all the brands are now changed to lowercase. Similarly, we could add a new column and change the brand column into uppercase.